Just a quick update, you guys. I'm getting the paint, excuse me, getting over a cold. I'm getting the paint as good as I can to prepare it for some ceramic coating, but I want to show you what I've done. Pretty good, actually. It's not perfect, you know, but it's pretty good. And remember, this is a driveway paint job, you guys. Literally in the driveway. Let me see if I can go the other way. The light is better. And I'll show you what I used. Just used two things from, here, I'll get that. You can see, yeah, I mean, of course there's some inconsistencies in the surface, but and also remind you that I am not a mechanic or a paint guy or anything. I'm just a dude like you watching this, watching YouTube videos. All right, so let me show you what I used. I have this in past videos, but the products I'm using are 3D. So this is from sanding, right? This is from like a 2000 sand or one. You can go 1000, but I recommend 1500 or 2. So I use this 3D rubbing compound, step 1, right? And then I just use this finishing polish, ACA 520, Alpha Ceramic Alumina, step 2. And then I'm going to use ceramic. I'll show you that later. Let me show you the pads I'm using. So for the rubbing compound, I use this foam pad. It's like their cutting pad, you know, pretty aggressive. I also have another one that has the little cuts, little slats. This is the most aggressive one, but that's their, I guess they call that their red pad. Also 3D. And then this one, I'm still trying to clean it, but this is what I mean by the little cuts, little squares. And this is for the polishing compound, and that's their purple pad. All right, put that back over here. Keep your pads clean, you guys. I always soak them immediately in water, and then I blast them with the hose, and then I dry them. Do not drop these in the dirt or on the. Don't drop them. Keep them clean. All right, so that's it. So the car's in the garage. I'm gonna clean it now. I just did the top front because that's kind of like the high profile area. I might hit the rear on the top, and then I'll do the ceramic coating. But it's a lot of work, man. I ain't gonna lie. You got to go over with each of these polishing pads. I went over them at least twice, 2 or 3 times. One area. But what's amazing, if you have some little swirls or marks, you can get rid of a lot of stuff with just the rubbing compound. It's incredible. Make sure you stay flat, blah blah blah. I'm not trying to teach you guys how to do paint polishing and all that, cutting and all that, but you know, I just want to show you the results I'm getting. So I'll do the ceramic next, and then paint will be done.